Good morning. So this is Kairang Makhalika, Imphal, Manipur. So just check this out. See, it's like this. It has been raining since day before yesterday. It's been 2 days now, and the view is like this. So here is our place. See, it is like this. See, the vehicles are all underwater. Actually, we had a pond here, right here, but it can't be seen anymore, and I think that the rain may continue for another 1-2 days. We don't know what's going to happen. We are hoping that hoping and praying that rain may stop. Here it's like this. It's all flooded. Just look. This is our house. Actually, we have around 6 stairs here. 6 steps of stairs. That's all. We don't have any steps right now. And all the vehicles are like this. It's like this.
모래기 타고 그러봐
Đấy nghe chỉ để bira cả đấy. Lại đây bấm lịch coi, mẹ lịch awang lịch cái này bấm.